Dude. It's right below Chris's. I'm gonna call Bert. Okay, alright, I'll just start hosing my place down and shut it up. Dude, it's like billowing. I know I shouldn't be staying here. I'd say we start loading. I'm just kind of like done. I think we're just done. It's 3:30. I think it's the 29th August 2017. If we don't get some air support, we're done. Here comes the air support. Yeah, right there. Right there. There they are. Okay.
What's your road?
It's just the front of it's called mile marker. Mile marker Green Gate to the left.
This is the best access?
Yeah, I can drive you down there or whatever. It's like a half mile, but it's really steep and gnarly.
Give it to me again, the address.
Mile marker.
South, I see. Captain 313. Block.
Fuck.
Yeah, I'll keep it right.
Yeah, okay. Get in the back, Bree. We can pretty much be right to it, and then there's no water down there. Okay. Get in the back.
South, I see Captain 336, hour 5, track 4. South, I see
You want to get out and I'll turn around?
Yep. You can meet me here.
Okay.
I don't want to open your door.
Go ahead, you can. There you go.
South, I see.
Oh, the fire's right there. Oh my gosh, why am I here? In case that guy needs a ride, that's why I'm here. The fire. Oh man, it's right there.